What's up, guys? Tonight I made a Puerto Rican Jibarito. I didn't make it traditional. I actually kind of Filipinoized it. That's pork belly adobo that you guys see there. And we're going to dress it up in a minute, but I just wanted you to see the color in that char. This is a green sauce that I cannot live without. It is a Peruvian sauce and it's beautiful. And we're going to pour it all on top of this. Here we go. We're going to pour it and we're going to add a little bit more stuff, some avocados, some onion, and then put the top on. Now the tops, you see, they're not bread, they're plantains, smashed and fried. And then I have some jalapeno slices that I cooked into there. And this is what she looks like in the middle. It is so good. The flavor is on point and out of this world, guys. Have a great night. Bye.